Okay then, good morning. It is the start of a new set of sessions and going to be kicking off again on the Snow Hill line with Birmingham Moor Street. So it should be a good day of this today. So we'll start with the terminating Chiltern set over on platform 3 there, coming in off of Marylebone. So just get head coach for that. And we'll get started at Birmingham Moor Street with the arrival of 168. Let's have a look. That is 168001 and 168328, working 1 Romeo 17, terminating in 1 minute early off of London Marylebone. And arriving in with the only other 2 actions of the session will be 172102 and 172006, working 2 Kilo 38 and the 1111 West Midlands Railway service from Whitlock's End to Kidderminster, and our train out of here, which will see 172006, no it won't, 172221, and naturally 172345, working 2 Sierra 37 and the 1109 West Midlands Railway service from Kidderminster through to Whitlock's End. Okay, that other working isn't going to get here, but 172345 should be coming out the tunnel, leading us with that previously mentioned 2 Sierra 37 working up to Whitlock's End, and that should nicely finish us up at Moor Street.
We are sorry to announce that the 1111 West Midlands Railway service to Kidderminster is being delayed.
And as that arrives in, to finish a short but sweet session at Birmingham Moor Street. That is a good session, all done.